Not yet. Alright, ready? Okay.
You're going to grab them in the right order though, right?
Hopefully. They're backwards.
Beef should be at the bottom, so pepperoni beef. Ham. I mean, not that like today you don't get in trouble, but if you did that in the make-up and you put it on backwards, it's fine.
So then, wait, so how do you want it?
I mean, you don't.
You can take
You
those
gotta do it in the right. It should
Yeah.
be the
Like
order
that.
the designer thinks.
Well, yeah.
So then this one should go up here, right?
Well, no, because you go pepperoni, beef, ham,
So you go that way.
yeah. Unless you want to go like that.
Well, I thought I'd go, or
Do you want to do that?
I'll try it and see how we go.
800.
You want to take the veins down?
So it's
you
the
want
top
to-
part.
Okay, we're gonna take these veins.
Pretty.
I think no,
So what? How we have room? You're standing right where
You
I'm
have a hole
making.
there.
no, we're moving everything down.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. This is very correct, yeah.
Do the same as pineapple. It needs to be 25 grams. And then you can scoop it out like that and then spread it. Quite a long video. And then mushroom. Go really, really fast. Mushroom. The mushroom beef sausage. You gotta wait first. I'll see that. Just keep going. Keep going. The beef. And then 25 grams. Yeah, that's good. Perfect. Yeah. And then I'm gonna get cheese and then put 75 grams. A little bit more. Yeah, that's good. Grab it. And then make sure it's all spread out so there's some on the edges. Put your hand out a little bit so that it spreads. And then get bacon. 50 grams. And then just put it all, make sure it looks nice. And then you want to get this one, put it upside down, and just spread it all along the pizza. Oh, it's okay.
The lid.
That's all that gummy.
Alright, you want to get the rest of that and
Half of
sprinkle
the
it
jar.
So get that and just put it in. Yeah, that's good. And then do that. And then take the ring off and call time really loudly. Yeah, time.
Go.
Right, do you want to tuck it along with the pizza? So you get all the sauce on the pizza?
No, but I'm practicing. Yeah, it's like, why aren't you 100% 5-star at it?
Yeah, perfect.
Is that what you say?
And then
Yeah, I used to do that on
Yeah, this one?
like, I'm a
Let's
fake,
lay
I'm
it
a pro,
around
I'm
the edge.
a fake parent. Okay, Jackson.
you can hold it from the side and then tuck it around. It's good enough. Let's go. Go, 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 go. So, pop off the thing. Then you grab the pizza, put this on it, and you put a couple of pieces of pepperoni.
Do you want the chair?
Done. And then put capsicum in there. And you want to put your capsicum in this bowl. Make sure it's 25, so a little bit more. Yeah, perfect. Roughly. And then do the same as pineapple. It needs to be 25 grams. And you can scoop it out like that.